Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Apple AirPods 4 and Apple AirPods 3. The Apple AirPods 4 and AirPods 3 are both popular true wireless earbuds, but they come with some differences that cater to varying user performance. The AirPods 4 are designed to offer improved sound quality featuring enhanced drivers for better audio performance and potentially introducing new features like active noise cancellation or ANC and spatial audio. They may also come with longer battery life, offering one listening time per charge compared to their predecessors. In contrast, the AirPods 3 provide a solid audio experience with features like spatial audio and adaptive EQ but do not include ANC. They have a comfortable design and decent battery life, lasting up to 6 hours on a single charge, with the case providing additional power. If you want a better sound quality and features like ANC, the AirPods 4 would be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a reliable and comfortable option without the latest enhancements, the AirPods 3 remain a great option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.